Hi, mathematician friends. So today we're going to do a fun activity called subtraction bowling. When we do this activity, we need something from home that we could stand up and then we're going to try to knock over with like a sphere of some kind. So a ball maybe. Over here they use like a large pom pom. So some of these supplies you're going to have to hunt for a little bit, but there's so many possible options you could use. There are definitely easy things that you have around that you could find. Some people may even have like small action figures that you could stand up or Legos that you could have standing up. Like any of those things would work. They could be bigger, they could be smaller. You'll notice here there's some cups. So if you have cups at home, or if you have, even if you have paper towel rolls, you could cut them up. So we're going to need 9 today. That's how we're going to set this up. And I'll show you a little bit more about what the setup's going to look like. So you need 9 objects you could stand up, and then you need some sort of a ball, like a sphere, a bouncy ball, anything like that for subtraction bowling. Now, hopefully, you have in your head a little idea of what bowling looks like. So, what I'm going to show you over here, I did like a miniature bowling setup. So, I use these little, you see my little Christmas tree erasers over here, and then a little bouncy ball. So, what I did is, you can see on this sheet, the subtraction bowling game card, I put 4, and then I did 3, and then I did 2. So, that's kind of the setup that we want to have. So we want to stand all of our objects up, and then I backed away from it, right? So like this was on one side of the table and I was on the other side of the table. And then I tried to roll this little ball to hit as many of the little erasers as I could. And what you'll notice is that I hit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the erasers. So I knocked 5 erasers over. So then on my game card, I'm going to write 9. 9 is already there. We're starting with 9 every time. So 9 take away 5 is how many are standing up? 1, 2, 3, 4. So that would be my first one. Then I would stand all my little erasers back up and I would try to roll the ball again and then see how many I knock over. The only thing that could be a tiny bit confusing about this, well, one of them, is that we're using the number 9, not 10. So when you're setting it up, just make sure we have like a row 4, then 3, then 2. And if you even set it up a little differently, that's fine too. Just make sure you start with 9. See if you can get all of them knocked over maybe, and then it would be 9 take away 9, which is 0. All right, friends. So if there's 2 game cards, I believe that you have today. So after you do these, you could go on the back. Maybe you have extra erasers lying around or extra cups, or you want to use a different number and see how many you could hit, or you want to set it up differently. You can always try that. So I have 15 erasers, so I might set up all 15 of my erasers and see how many I can knock over. And I'd write that equation on the back of this subtraction game card. Well, I hope you enjoy this activity and yeah, have some fun. All right, I'll talk to you later.